Who has some experience with making medicine with plants?
My go-to is lemon, ginger, and natural honey.
Garlic and onion tea.
When we separate something from nature, this is when sometimes we can create imbalances. When you eat the plant, you're eating everything. You're eating the fiber, you're eating all the plant compound. However, when we start separating one compound, then it could sometimes create imbalances on the long run. What we're doing, we're chopping the plant, therefore we are increasing the surface area of the plant. The more we have surface area, the more the alcohol can penetrate the surface of the plant. So when you're in the kitchen and you're like cooking, the more you like chop your like leaf, the more you're bruising your leaves, right? If your chopping board is ever too green, fail. That means all the flavor, all your juice, all your medicines on your chopping board, not in your dish. Cardamom, man, wow. This is one of the world's most expensive spices, man. Yeah. Your hands are gonna get bitter, so after, wash your hands very well. This is homemade alcohol because it's actually illegal to travel with. Ideally, I want to submerge the herbs. Our energy is required next. Give it a nice shake. I think you want to infuse all the love and healing. It's good to talk with the plants. It's good to ask for what you want, but it's also good to give back. So putting your hands in the dirt is also a good reciprocity as well. You can ask for what you want as long as you give back. Thank you for attending. Pura vida.